Welcome to a very special Blending with Henry show, the #1 channel on YouTube for blender reviews and delicious blender recipes. It's the Blending with Henry 5th anniversary. Hey you guys, welcome to the 5th anniversary Blending with Henry show. My name is Henry. It's been a long time coming. You know, it's always great when you hit that milestone in life, business, or whatever goals that you have set. So I'm going to get right to the point. The 5-year milestone for Blending with Henry means a big giveaway. I want to give away something really great. It's going to be a brand new Vitamix blender. The Vitamix Explorian E310 is simple, easy to use, powerful, and it blends everything in your refrigerator. Who wouldn't want something this great? Now you guys have seen me use the Explorian E310 in a couple of my videos, including the peanut butter video where I actually demonstrated the machine. There's nothing like having some fresh, creamy, warm peanut butter. Now we're making it in the new Explorian 310. Now this ain't Skippy or Jiffy. Now let's take a look at the recipe. Roasted peanuts. Yep. Now this is too easy to make. Just dump in the peanuts, ramp up the speed to the highest speed, use the tamper to press the peanuts down to the blades until they turn smooth and creamy. And there you go. Silky, creamy, warm, rich, decadent, smooth. That's what you get when you make peanut butter in a Vitamix. Then get yourself some crusty, earthy bread to make some good PB&Js. Nothing can be better than this. What I love about the Vitamix Explorian E310 is that it's simple to use, non-intimidating, and it's very powerful. And it comes with this 48-ounce container, the recipe book, the tamper, and a full 5-year warranty. Now, Vitamix kindly agreed to sponsor me, and they'll be sending the Vitamix directly to you brand new in the box. I'm giving the Vitamix away to one lucky winner, so here are the contest rules to win it. To enter the contest, you simply subscribe to my YouTube channel, or follow Blending with Henry on Instagram, or like Blending with Henry on Facebook. Now you can just post a comment on either one of these social media channels and tell me why you would like to win the Vitamix Explorian E310 and what delicious blends you will be creating with it. The contest starts April 12, 2018 and ends on May 12, 2018. Now the winner will be picked at random between my YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram comments section. Now the winner will be contacted directly from Blending with Henry and will have 24 hours to respond. Now if no response you guys within 24 hours, I'll have to pick a new winner. Now the contest giveaway is for USA residents only. Thank you so much. And thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Blending with Henry would not be successful without you. And very powerful. Now it comes with a 48-ounce container. This is going to be so good. So come party with me and let's blow out the candles.